30 minutes ago, we had a surprise at the beach. There was a wild pig, a boar, that came from underneath the fence, and he came and he stole the lunch of people, lunch of the day, and he took off in the woods. And he keep coming back, and if you don't pay attention, he's gonna steal your stuff. It's a small one, but a male.
Belvedere on Capo Coda Cavallo is a breathtaking viewpoint located in the area of San Teodoro. Perched on a scenic cape, it offers magnificent panoramic views of crystal-clear waters and lush coastal landscapes. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of the surrounding nature, including nearby islands and stunning rock formations. The area is popular for its tranquil environment, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and photography. The beaches in the area of Capo Coda Cavallo are the perfect alternative to the far busier beaches of the Costa Smeralda. The area features extraordinary white beaches and crystal-clear water, perfect for a peaceful Sardinian holiday at sea. The Ministry of Environment has made Capo Coda Cavallo a marine protected area with the aim to preserve one of the true natural symbols of Sardinia. Some of the most popular beaches of East and Northeast Sardinia are just a short drive away, and the high-quality hotels and residences will make visitors to the peninsula feel right at home. Located between Olbia City and the small village of San Teodoro, there is a small promontory of absolute charm for many tourists who come to Sardinia every year seeking the most unspoiled nature. It is Capo Coda Cavallo, an area that has remained almost untouched and protected from any human intervention, especially since its inclusion in the Tavalara Marine Protected Area in 1997. Easily reachable from Olbia Airport, as well as from the port of Golfo Oranzi, Capo Coda Cavallo is a strip of land that officially belongs to the municipality of San Teodoro. We are not exaggerating when we say that we are on one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline not only of eastern Sardinia, but of the entire Tyrrhenian Sea. Numerous beaches of soft white sand and water so crystal clear that it almost looks like a postcard. Not only that, it is by looking up that you have the privilege of a beautiful view of the mysterious Malara Island and a little further, the majestic Tavalara Island.
It's the first time during this vacation that we had a wind like this.
Yeah, it's very windy today, therefore there's a lot of waves.
Yeah, some big waves, but it's still nice. There's less people in the water because of that.
Wild boars in Sardinia are generally not aggressive if you give them space. They're opportunists looking for food. Keep 10 to 15 meters distance, never get between a sow and piglets, leash dogs, don't feed, and if one lingers, stand together, speak firmly, and let it lead.